The customer value virtuous circle. Objectives. The objectives explain that the module aims to help learners understand customers as key drivers of business success. It highlights the importance of leadership and social competencies and in understanding customer need and exchanges, recommending businesses practices and that improve customer satisfaction and long-term loyalty. Introduction. The introduction explains that customers are subject, goal, and condition that determine success of customer service efforts. It emphasizes the importance of developing a customer service mindset that prioritize customer needs every business decision and interaction. Direct value. This slide introduces direct customers value referring to the revenue customer bring to the businesses through transaction. It focuses on measurable factors such as transaction frequency, revenue per transaction, and annual spending to determine. Example. This slide provides a numerical example showing how customers' value is calculated using subscription fees and additional purchases. It demonstrates how small recurring transactions accumulate into significant yearly and monthly revenue, helping learners understand the practical application. Direct lifetime value. This slide explains customers' lifetime value as a total revenue a customer generates throughout their relationship with a company. It highlights the importance of customer loyalty and shows why businesses should focus on long-term relationship rather than short-term. Indirect value. This slide introduces indirect customer value, which includes benefits customers provide through referrals, recommendations, review, and word-of-mouth promotion. It explains that customers can contribute value even beyond their own purchases by influencing direct value. Example. This slide provides an example showing how referral code from happy customers can significantly increase company revenue. It demonstrates how one satisfied customer can lead to multiply new customer, creating additional income without heavy marketing expenses. Customer's definition of customer's value. Customer's value is defined as the ratio of percent of benefits of total cost of ownership. Benefits cover perceived gains like quality and support, while total costs include all life cycle expenses. This formula shows value grow as benefits rise. Value of listening and empathy. This slide emphasizes the importance of listening and empathy in customer service, especially in the IT BPM industry. Understanding customer experiences and perspective allows service personnel to provide better solutions, build trust, and strengthen long-term customer relationships. Companies lead industries. This slide presents a company example to illustrate how innovation and customer focus on solution help organization lead their industries. It reinforces the ideas that businesses that prioritize customer value are more likely to sustain competitive advantage and long-term.
This is the customer value virtuous cycle. Satisfied customer drive purchases which boost business revenue. Higher revenue improve team morale, lifting organizational productivity, and that productivity circle back to keep customers even more satisfied. It's a win-win loop for customers and business alike. Three major classification. Number one, relation to the business. Number two, in relation to the support required. Number three, in relation to the rapport needed. Now, let's dive into customer type in relation to the business. There are two main groups. Number one, internal customer are fellow employees and managers within company. Number two, external customer are people or organization who buy your product or service in exchange for payment. Customer types based on support required. We got two key groups here. Number one, novice customer have little to no experience with the product, so they needed more guidance. Number two, advanced customer already understand the hardware or software, so they typically need less hand holding. Now let's look at more customer types in relation to support required. First, talkative customers tend to be poor listeners and may not follow direction closely. Then they are passive customers. They need more guidance than most other types. Let's explore customers types based on rapport needed. First up, stable, even-tempered customers make about 70% of people. They are dependable, honest, and prefer straightforward interaction. Then they are logical, rational customers. Around 15% of population, they are research truly read brochures and manuals and pay close attention to details. Now, let's talk about the customer as value. Simply put, customers aren't just people we sell to. They are key part of the business that actually adds to the company's value propositions. In short, they help define what makes business worthwhile and valuable to the market. Next up, the customer as goal to tell us what we aim to achieve, and when we see customers as our goal, it means we work too much, not just they accept from us, but their deeper ultimate needs too. It's about focusing our effort entirely on meeting what they truly require. Let's look at what we need to address in customer service. First, we have to identify and tell apart the different customer types we discussed. Second, figure out what makes customer important to the business. And third, assess the relative value of each customer based on the daily interaction IT BPM employees have with them. Let's cover the next 2 points in customer service. Number 4, we need to evaluate if the company's current methods are effective and explain why based on what they're done so far. Number 5, identify who the main stakeholders are in organization that puts customer service first.